Welcome to Money Control's Political News. Here are the top developments. PM Modi chairs security meet amid rising terror attacks in Jammu. At least 2 passengers dead as Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express derails in UP. Telangana CM Revanth Reddy announces farm loan waivers details. After Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thakere's party gets EC nod for poll funds. And Akhilesh Yadav's post a monsoon offer. Party leader says message to BJP. Now let's dive into these top developments. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of the Cabinet Committee on Security, which also includes Home Minister Amit Shah and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. As per sources, the PM directed full deployment of armed forces counter-terror capabilities. J&K police have launched a major operation against increased terror activity in the region, which has been seen 48 army personnel, including officers, killed in action over the past 32 months. Police sources said multiple individuals suspected of aiding terrorists had been arrested and large number of paramilitary and army troops were conducting search ops based on intelligence reports. At least 2 passengers have died and several are injured after several coaches of the Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express train derailed in Uttar Pradesh's Gonda. The incident occurred in Pikura, located between Gonda and Jilali in Uttar Pradesh. A rescue team has been sent to the site for relief operations. Visuals show passengers standing on the side of the track with their luggage. Train number 15904 was heading to Dibrugarh in Assam from Chandigarh. The loco pilot of the train claimed that he had heard a loud explosion just before the collision. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has clarified that the state's farm loan waiver scheme of up to 2 lakh rupees will apply to every farmer family with a land passbook. This announcement was made during the collectors conference held at the Secretariat on Tuesday. Reddy explained that the ration card is only used for family identification, noting that there are 90 lakh ration cards in the state, but only 70 lakh farmer accounts with bank loans. He assured that 6.36 lakh farmers without ration card who took farm loans will also benefit from the loan waiver. The Chief Minister assured of no discrimination based on possession of ration cards and instructed the collectors to meet district bankers on July 18 to ensure proper implementation of the scheme. The Election Commission allowed Shiv Sena Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray to accept public contributions in viewing of the looming Maharashtra Assembly polls. The Uddhav Thackeray-led party had requested the poll body to issue a communication or certificate recording the status of the party for the purpose of accepting voluntary contributions from the public. A delegation of the party led by their General Secretary Subhash Desai also met the EC today at Nirvachan Sadan in New Delhi. The ECI, in its communication dated July 18, has authorized the party to accept any amount of contribution voluntarily offered to it by any person or company other than a government company in compliance under Section 29B and Section 29C of the Representation of People Act 1951, which governs the contribution of all political parties. Taking a swipe at the BJP amid talk of infighting within the Yogi Adityanath government, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav has put out a cryptic post on X that has set off a buzz. Now, a Lok Sabha MP from Kannauj, Akhilesh Yadav, posted today, "Monsoon offer, bring 100 from the government." The short post appeared to be a replug of Mr. Yadav's past offer to Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya. Mr. Yadav's post today is being seen as another wild swipe at Mr. Maurya, who sparked a buzz in political circles after his organization bigger than the government remark in the party gathering in Uttar Pradesh. The remark was widely seen as a veiled attack on Chief Minister Adityanath, who has said overconfidence cost the BJP in UP in this general election. A senior Samajwadi Party leader has told news agency PTI that Mr. Yadav's monsoon offer post on X was a message to those in BJP who wanted to switch over. Now that's the wrap for the day.